All right, guys. Good morning. Welcome back.
Oh, those are the ones that didn't fit this. That's why I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah, some of those are fake. Some of those are fake.
Yeah, it's like, wait a minute.
Yeah, it's only like 2 or 3. I think it's 4 that hold it on.
Yeah, one.
All right, guys. Hey, welcome back. It's my brother Marco going to help us out today.
Yeah.
And we got the grill all buttoned up. Got the lights in. So what we're going to do today, show you here in just a minute, is we're going to take the stock rotors and brakes off, and we're going to put the Z36 big brakes on. And Marco's going to help me do that. So we got everything set up. Let's get to it.
It's in it.
What you got there? All right, so we got the lights on. Did those yesterday, and today what we're going to do, got everything all set up. We'll show you here in a minute. So we're going to put the extreme brake pads from PowerStop on with the front and rear drilled and slotted rotors. Those are going to go on. I have read some comments where folks are saying, hey, they're upset with PowerStop because they misshipped and they did 2 driver sides or 2 passenger sides. So what we'd recommend you do is make sure that you check what you received before you start tearing your truck apart. That way, if you're missing something, your truck's not torn apart. And you can call PowerStop and get them to overnight you something. Marco's taking them off. Let's get the wheels off of this thing, jacked up, and then we'll go from there.
The other one.
All right, Marco, got the passenger side on.
Yep.
Only one trip to Home Depot.
Only one.
Motherfucker was tough. Wrong size socket on the back size, 21.
Nice
only went up to 19. All right, so that's the passenger side done. Only one trip to Home Depot. That's a success. What do you think?
I think it looks fantastic.
We'll break them in here when it's all done. So let's get the the driver's side done, and then we'll knock out the back and then put it all together. All right, driver's side's done. Now time to do the back. Not bad, right? We had that shit on photo, so now I got to redo it.
Very nice.
Yeah, we have to break them in when they're done. Okay, we got a break-in period. Will you go with me? Maybe an hour on the back. All right, guys, we'll try to get out of the sun, but you can see we got the rears off both sides. So now we'll take the back brakes off, take the rotors off, and just so, I'm not sure if I showed you, but they are labeled rear driver side, you know, rear passenger side, front, etc. So double check to make sure that you have everything set up in the box before you start tearing it down. Makes it a lot easier for you. All right, let's get these off and on, then I'll show you finished. All right, Marco, about an hour and a half on the back.
Hour in each front, and then 1 hour in the back.
All right, we got the rears on.
Yeah.
Only thing left to do now is put the tires on, and then we're gonna break them in, and then do a quick video on the braking, guys, and we're done. So if you're thinking about doing this at home and you're not sure, hey, you're not a mechanic, it's really not that complicated. Plenty of videos out there. Just got to have a couple breaker bars to break these calipers loose. They're on pretty tight with the Loctite. But everything is labeled for you. You can see here, this is the rear. All right, guys, well, we got everything put back together on the truck. It does give you some instructions on how to break in your brakes. Follow the instructions when you first get in your truck. The brakes are going to be spongy. You're going to have to pump them 4 or 5 times and they harden back up. Same thing as you're driving. You know, the 40 to 10 mile an hour deceleration, 35 to 5 mile an hour deceleration, 5 times each. Then you're going to drive around 5 to 10 minutes, which is what we're doing now. And, you know, the brakes harden back up, back to normal. I will tell you, just driving certainly feels, it's got a lot more grip or a lot more bite on the truck. When you go to stop, don't have anything towing today, but we'll try that out here next time we tow something. But fully expecting the brakes to live up to what all of the recommendations are and all the reviews are. So again, hey, if you're watching this video, first and foremost, thanks a lot. If you're wondering if you can do this and you've never done something like this, it really isn't that challenging. just make sure that you have the right tools. Make sure that, you know, they shipped you the passenger side and driver side, front and rear. Don't tear your truck apart or your car apart and realize that, you know, somebody made a mistake and shipped you one of each side, or both, one of just two rights or two lefts, because then you're going to have to put your vehicle back together, or you're going to have to overnight something. So just double check that. But again, appreciate you watching the channel, watching the video. If you like it, please hit like, subscribe, and share. But again, if you want to do it on your own, it's not that challenging. It's a great fun project, and hope you guys have a great evening.